Though the bugle of the upcoming MSc election are yet to be sounded, political activities and meetings are also slowly gathering pace across the hill districts of Karbi Anglong. And on Saturday, the third Duarbagori Mandal Mahila Morcha executive meeting was also held at Moniram Langni Auditorium Hall in Daithar. MSc and Forest Board Chairman Richard Togby also attended the meeting to encourage the BJP women wings. The meeting commenced with singing of Vande Mataram and was chaired by Duarbagori Mandal Mahila Morcha President Kache Singnarpi and its member Rohila Rongpipi introduced leaders and all guests present at the meeting. MAC and Forest Board Chairman Richard Togby attended the meeting as chief guest, and he was accompanied by VDC Chairman Sarkoy Rongpar, State Mahila Morcha member Dipti Gogoi, District Mahila Morcha General Secretary Rina Terangpi, Social Welfare Board Chairperson Kadom Terangpi, Mandal Secretary Daniel Terang, Dolamara Daithar Municipal Board Chairman, Ward Commissioners and others. The BJP Women Wing discussed matters related strengthening of party and mainly on strategies to ensure victory for the party in the upcoming MSc election. Mandal Secretary Daniel Terang during his speech said that MSc Richard Togby would get the party ticket and would get EM in the next term. Further, the Mandal Secretary said that unity of women holds key for any progress, and the large presence of women members at the meeting are indication of BJP absolute victory in the upcoming council election. During his speech, VDC Chairman Sarkoy Rongpar lauded PM Narendra Modi, Assam CM Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma and CM Tuliram Ronghang for their able leadership in the central, state and KAC level respectively. He stated MSc Richard Togby, who won election in 2017 from independent party, had faced tremendous challenges for 2 years until 2019 when he joined with the BJP. Further, he stated that his sincerity and commitment towards serving the people was proven by bringing a total of 400 schemes, out of which 350 schemes have already been successfully completed despite severe nationwide lockdown in 2019. He concluded his speech urging the party wing members to put out all of their efforts to ensure victory for MSc Richard Togby in the upcoming MSc election. Meanwhile, State Mahila member Dipti Gogoi during her speech also lauded the work carried out by MSc Richard Togby and stated that Duarbagori has even outshined Bokajan, Borjan, Sarupathar and Deupari constituencies in terms of the developmental works being done. Expressing similar support and commitment from its wing members, the State Mahila member urged upon the women members to continue working for strengthening of party base in the constituency to secure massive mandates from the people of Duarbagori constituency. Speaking on the occasion, MSc and Forest Board Chairman Richard Togby said that victory of BJP is beyond any doubt and asserting that their party would continue to grow stronger and would be in power at the center, the state and council levels. The elected representative also the rival parties are against peace, and that is the reason why they continue delaying the process of seeking solutions with ceasefire groups. He said September 4 is historic day and the people, especially new generation, would now be able to get greater opportunities and more secure future. The MEC also promised to award the women wings of 23 polling stations on securing massive victory for the party in the upcoming Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council election. It may be mentioned that 20% rival parties, especially Congress and APHLC, were also given warm welcome by the BJP led by MEC Richard Togby at Daithar Forest IB. Arjison Rongpar's report from Dolamara for Karbi Anglong Live.